Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. What's really happening? What's really happening? So before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And yeah, it seems like this week I'm struggling to go on the live session. I get busy sometimes, guys. So we will see what will happen. But you know what? Yesterday we did smash the market left and right. And if you were part of the team, obviously you were just going to be eating with us. So before we go, I'll just show you my group, or where I send the group, just to show you some of the signals that I have sent, right? So before we go there, let's check what we have. It's Wednesday. We have a lot, by the way. We have ADP, or non-farm employment change, around 2:15. 15 minutes later, which is going to be 2:30, unemployment claims, service PMI around 4:08. We have FOMC meeting. Powell was actually speaking also yesterday, and the statements were, the questions or the answers there, they were not really that bad. That's why we saw the market went really higher. And plus, the market was actually on our support areas, right? But today we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 economic news from the US. After that, we're going to have NFPs on Friday. NFP on Friday. So, yeah, I already opened that Telegram group. You can see we have like 217 members. We also have the other one with 120 something. So which means we are around 300, maybe 350 members, premium members, by the way. So let's see. I won't go back that much, but we had a nice, we had a sell on German 30. We also had USD CAD. I think it was day before. You can see now, I think it was Friday. Just look at this. It went actually higher. It went actually higher. I will be showing you that. That's why I said we should be closing the profits here on the screen. You can see that. So the next one, it was US oil. It did went up. Let's see the other one. It's US30. We also smashed this one. You can see it also went up. We also had S&P 500. We smashed this one. And now this was the way we were smashing here. So all those signals, you can see, I sent them. I did send those signals. Let's go. Let me show you. We did smash those signals. You can see US30, it was a buy pending order, which it was yesterday. US30, it went up. S&P 500, you can see that. It also went actually in our favor. So today we just sent USD CAD. I'm still expecting it to go even higher. So if you don't really want to miss those nice signals that we smashed, we have a very nice monthly signals for only $15, lifetime for only $60, 12 months for only $48. Just look where we are coming from. We are coming from actually this. Just look at that. We are coming from those prices. So which means you can think twice actually, because once the special end, our price are going to go back to normal, and that might actually be quite not really that expensive, because our services are very good, but the price will be changing to a normal price, which is going to be a little bit higher. So if you want to be that on that team, or in our team, don't forget to smash scan the QR code, or check on my description. There is a WhatsApp link. So I will start from, let me just start from AUD. Let me start from AUD USD. As yesterday, I did not really do the analysis. So yeah, what's really happening? I will just try to be as quick as possible. We can easily see that on AUD USD, the market has been actually consolidating very nice. The market has been consolidating, and we know very well that yes, there are some economic news left and right. Things might not really move the way we want, but what we see here is just a ranging structure. So which means We just need to look for sales around this area, buy positions around this level. But at the moment, the market was not really doing that. The market is just playing around that level. So I can say it's not really safe because it's in between our resistance and support. But we can easily see that yes, the overall move is actually ranging. So we can just avoid that and just wait for a proper move, right? Yeah. So now let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. So this is what we see. This is what I see actually on USD Canada. We are on this nice uptrend structure. Do you see that? So once I go closer there, you will see that the market is actually playing around my support area. And I'm expecting to see a continuation of that. I think this is a little bit higher. So this is supposed to be around this level. So I was expecting to see a nice reversal. We are still on that buy pending order. Not yet triggered, by the way, because sometimes if you take trades around this area, the market can do exactly what it's doing here. It can reverse and later on go higher. So that's what we see. So I'm expecting to see maybe the market reverse around this level before we see a very nice push. The one that we smashed, it was that one. So I'm expecting to have another one there. If only the market pushes to the upside, unless if maybe we see a breakout, then we can say a different story. But at the moment, it seems like the market is trying to reverse, but we'll just wait and see. We are not actually in a trade at the moment. So let's push to the next one, which is, whoa. I missed this, but I don't really blame myself. The market was already high, so I wasn't going to chase this trade. That's why I was taking the other ones. So it seems like all these major pairs, guys, are quite bullish against JPY. They are quite bullish. You can see what we have there. So unfortunately, we can't just chase the market. So the best way, or the best thing that we can do, is to wait for the market to reverse, or maybe the market can create a nice resistance around that level that we can say, okay, now we can see something before we jump in. But what we see now, I'm just waiting for the market to do what? To go a little bit lower before we see the market goes up again, as we are on a very nice, or we can say a very aggressive structure. Unfortunately, we missed this one. So we can't chase it. So Bitcoin, what's really happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still struggling around the same level. We can see that it reversed actually, but it seems to be finding its support. We have a horizontal support there. It seems like the market is finding that, and it might start to push the upside if it doesn't really break out of that support area. So I'm expecting to see a continuation, but the market is not forced to continue. It can just break anywhere. So it's up to Bitcoin to break anything, to break the structure, or maybe to respect that. But we'll just have to wait and see. I don't really trade Bitcoin at the moment. So DXY dollar index, what's really happening? So from a bigger time frame structure, we can easily see that now, no man, this thing is actually on a very nice uptrend. So now we're expecting to see something like that before we can talk about another aggressive reversal. But before that, we already have a resistance. Maybe the market will just touch this area and go even lower, maybe to touch our support before we go like that. Or maybe the market might end up continuing going down. But I'm expecting to see the market reach or reaching that level, especially on Friday, before we see a nice sell. So now let's go on a 4 hours time frame on a dollar index. So dollar index helps us to understand the strength of the dollar. You know, majority of these pairs or instruments that we trade, they go with the dollar, so we can't avoid this. That's why we go and try to check what's happening. So now you can see that we have this resistance area. At the moment, we can see that we have a smaller push. Actually, this is a smaller uptrend. You see that? So there is still enough chance that the market can still reach at this level. And where we are now, we can say we are on a smaller support. We are on a smaller support here. So on top, we can also add something like that. Do you see that? So the market is giving us that type of a move. But we expect, my expectation is the market to reach that level around 106. Around 106, maybe before we see that breakout, a respect and a reversal, or maybe the market will end up just breaking out of that. But that will make the dollar to be quite stronger. But as we don't really know what will happen on Friday, which is going to be an NFP day, we don't know what they are going to be the figures. Are they going to be negative or positive? If they are going to be positive, it means we're going to see that structure going up. But there is enough chance that the market won't even break that resistance area. But it's up to the market. We'll just wait and see. So now what's really happening? What's really happening on Euro USD? We can easily see that we are still coming out of this nice downtrend structure on a bigger time frame. We are coming on that downtrend structure. We've been going down. You can see that the market has been going down. So that makes our job to be quite straightforward, easy. We can easily see that we expect to see the market going down, right? So once we go closer here, we can easily see that the market is actually consolidating around this level. You can see that. Let's throw that like that. Nice, like that. So around this area, it's where the market finds its resistant area. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that sell. But it seems like the market is trying to break out of this area. It shows that the market is trying to break, but it might reverse anytime soon. I saw the dollar is trying to lose some momentum. I saw on USD Canada, the market was melting there, but towards our support. But here, it's also around the support area, sorry, a resistance area. But will the market keep up with that move? We don't really know. Yeah, but we can say we still have a few pips there for the market. Maybe we can say the market is breaking out. But I think the market will be just touching this level and then going down again. So if it does, then we're going to look for this as a nice sell opportunity. Then we can take a sell from there as we expect the market to continue going lower, as we are on a downtrend structure. I think we're going to take this one. This is still at the lower level. I think we can try, but I think it's quite risky also. But I will tell my people what to do. So now we are on USD JPY. The market has been showing us that it's on a very nice bullish move. And I've been drawing this since January or February. And I'm still here. I'm still here saying we are on a bullish move. And you can see that I wasn't wrong about that. And following the trends, it makes our job easy. And for those who want to be mentored by me, if you want to learn some stuff, if you want to learn, guys. So our special ended. You can join our team or our mentorship group. Not group, actually, as I'm going to meet you one-on-one. You don't mix with other people on our mentorship. So it's $350. This actually also includes our 12 months signals if you join our mentorship. I hope that makes sense, so that you can able to actually analyze, understand, and be confident. And when you take your trades, you are going to be profitable and also consistent. So on USD JPY, we can easily see that no, the market is still flying. The market is still going higher. So I think around this level, it's a good time for me to say, you know what, guys, we can look for that nice buy around that level. So yeah, I think I have to send that, but this will just be scalping. I don't think we need to hold quite longer, as I think maybe the market can actually reverse. It might be quite risky, or we can just avoid that. We can actually avoid the overall structure and just let it go. We missed that at the support or at the breakout of that resistance. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? On a bigger structure, we are coming from a very nice bullish move. This was a very nice aggressive move to the upside. And where we are, it's like the market is still thinking twice. We can easily see that we have a proper support area on the bottom side. And you can see that the market has been respecting that level. But slowly on top here, the market has been giving us this nice resistance area that we can see. And on the bottom side, we also see something like that, but not really perfect, but we will see what will happen. So the question is, will the market try to break out of this area? So I think I'll have to draw it from here, because here I don't know which structure to connect, or so the best way, I will just place it there and see how it's going to be, something like that. So now I can say we can draw double lines. Let's see, double lines there, so that we don't really fall for any fake break. So we can see that the market already is going towards this resistant area. So there is a chance for the market to reverse around that. And the overall structure is actually a wedge. So it means the market might just end up consolidating around this level until we get a proper breakout on this resistance, or maybe this support. Then that we will say the market, it's time for the market to do what? To look for that sell. So at the moment, we'll be waiting and see if maybe we're supposed to take that sell, or maybe wait, you see. So now we are on US30. What's really happening? We can easily see that, yeah, I've been talking about this breakout for quite some time, and likely yesterday we did smash that this move. You coming from a very nice bullish move. We had a very nice ranging structure. We smashed this move there, and then these other ones, they were just playing games, you see. So, but yesterday it was a very nice day for us. We had a very nice structure here. Then the market, boom, then the market very quick went straight to our profits. Then I told my people, you know what, secure your profits, because the market was starting to play around. Plus, you can see that from this area here, or this structure, you can see the market was aggressively reversing up and down. So that it's not really a safe structure for us just to hold and forget. We know that we still have NFPs, or NFP on Friday. Go check my yesterday's video before NFP, just to understand what happens in the market, because the market can reverse here very quick, you see, or maybe the market might continue. So it's up to whatever the people think what will happen on Friday, and that will have enough influence on the market before we have the actual news. But at the moment, we did smash this one. I'm still expecting to see maybe a nice consolidation, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of that structure. Then we can jump on that buy again, as I'm expecting to see a very nice move. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is still on a very nice bullish move, guys. It's still on a very stronger bullish move. But what we have here, we have a very nice ranging structure, which we actually smashed one position here. And unfortunately, yesterday the market was around the middle of our support area and resistance. The market was around here. So we were not going to participate once the market is playing around that. We're just going to participate if the market was on this support area, then we're going to look for that buy. So now the market actually reached that resistance area. We can easily see that the market reached this level, that level. Now we have 1, 2, 3, or we can say 4 candlesticks around the same levels. So around the same level. So it shows us that it's actually a very nice support resistance area. So if the market breaks out of that, we will be expecting a continuation of that bullish move, as we are on this nice uptrend. But I'm expecting a nice reversal again, maybe around this level, 19,600, before we see a nice push. We are on 20K. The market reached the 20K like last week there, or I think it's last week. So here, so I'm expecting to see a breakout, but I think NFP will be holding things to be quite slower. Things will be quite slower at the moment. And later on, we're going to have a FOMC meeting, so that can also have a huge effect. Sometimes the market won't even do anything. Sometimes we can expect some crazy moves, but sometimes the market won't even move. So don't forget to join the team. Pause that video, scan that QR code, and you can start to eat with us. You can try monthly for $15, lifetime for $60. You can see how much you save there. 12 months for $48. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. This special ends next week, weekend. So let's see what's really happening on S&P. We are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. You saw that. I've been repeating almost every day about that about this structure. So the market was on a very nice support area. You can see that there was no way of missing this nice move there. We did catch that very quick, and yeah, we did it. Yes, we were eating. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like share with your friends. So we did smash this one, very nice. So the market is still going towards that support, that resistance. So we expect to see a nice reversal before we see a nice push to the upside. So it's up to the market to do its thing there. If it breaks, it's also good. We will see a continuation of that buy as we expect to buy, as we are coming also from this nice uptrend structure. So let's push to the next one, which is German 40, German 30. So we can easily see that the market actually did respect our German 30 structure. We did have a nice sell pending order there, but at least the market did actually reverse. It's reversing again. So we'll be expecting to see another sell again, but at the moment we just have to wait and see what's really happening. But the overall structure here, it's a very nice straightforward downtrend structure. The market is actually downtrending, and I'm still expecting that to continue. So on US oil, what's really happening on US oil? We did have a very nice buy there, but the market just reached halfway before before reversing. Sorry. So firstly, you can see that we are coming from a very stronger downtrend before we get this breakout. So sorry. So the market consolidated there. We had a nice buy pending order. The market did push nicely to a nice, very not really aggressive profit, but it was halfway towards the TP, and now the market is back on our entry. So, and I'm still expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. So once the market reaches your TP or halfway there, make sure you lock your profit so that you don't really just hold trades going in profit, going down. So make sure that you hold, you lock those profits and you make something out of that, or you take partial profits, you see. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.